Hi all. I am so much excited to say that we are at the last section of our course where we are going to convert our final PowerShell script that we have written to an executable file, thereby making it a standalone desktop application. So let us see how we can make that. So we are now in the script gallery in Central Server. If you remember, this is actually the script that we have written in our previous video, 18 functionality setups is admin SQL Server. I'm just taking a copy of it and naming it as 19 final script. Just want to show you that this is actually the final script. Now we are going to converting this script into an exe file. There is a script available in GitHub to convert the PowerShell to exe. This is a link to the GitHub portal which was actually written by Scholtis. What I'm going to do is I'm going to download this by clicking on the code here, and I'm selecting the download zip so that zip file will be downloaded to my downloads. I will be copying it to my server. Probably I can keep it here, ps2exe. Let us extract that. So the folder is extracted. Let me open that. You can see a set of files and folder inside this. So what you have to do here is you have to run this compile script. Right click and click on open so that it will create an application named win-ps2exe here. And this is the application with which we are converting our PowerShell script to an exe. Let me open it now and you can get a pop-up like this. Here, there are options to fill the source file, target file, icon file, and some other options like version, file description, product name, and copyright. If you have an icon file with you, you can very well mention it here. So let me try to select the source file here from my script gal. This is actually my final script, and target file is actually the file to which our executable has to be created, and we have to mention the folder location here where our executable needs to be created. I'm giving the location as scripts ps2exe itself. I'm selecting that folder. I just downloaded an icon file from internet named 3ICO. So I will be referring this icon file into my tool. Icon file, selecting 3ICO. And here I need to select the suppress output, which is actually the no output switch, and suppress error output, which is a no error switch. So the reason why we are giving that is if we are not checking this, you may get a command line window along with your application, which will show you the right host command that you have written in your script, or the errors that are coming up in your scripts and everything into that command line window. So for troubleshooting purpose and all that is well and good, but from an application perspective, when an user is using an application, it might be a bit weird. So we are using no output and no error here. You can enter the version details, file description, product name, copyright, and all if you really want. And click on compile. So you will get a PowerShell window here, and there you can see the message saying that the output file 19 final script.exe has been created. So click any button to exit that. Here I got the output as this application name 19 final script with the icon that we have mentioned. Let me try to open this by double clicking that. Yes, we got it. Let us test it with some entries like VM1, VM2. Let me try to select some option. Yeah, C drive free space, and click on submit. Oh, I mistakenly kept a VM1 as VM. The server didn't get recognized, which is the reason why I got an error saying that a VM not reachable or does not exist or network glitch. If you want to correct it, you can do it. VM1, VM2. Now you got the actual information about the C drive. So we get that application worked. If you want to check for some other options like last reboot time, good. Yeah, we got the output of that as well. So we are good with the application now. Everything is working properly. Yeah, we got all the information here pre-filled, and we don't have an issue with this application. So I assume all of you get a clear-cut idea about how to create a standalone application using PowerShell, how to create the PowerShell scripts using the forms, the components like text boxes, combo boxes, browse buttons, menu strip items, etc. And how to deal with the mail form and the XML files associated with that and all, taking the information from the XML file and reusing it in your application, how you can convert your PowerShell script into an executable file and all. I pretty much believe that you are now good to start creating your own applications by using your own logics and the kind of requirements that you have. If you require any kind of support related to this tool, feel free to reach out to me through my email so that I can help you out to figure out if you are stuck somewhere on that. Happy learning again, guys, and thank you.